In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to accept an invitation from Slack. If you've been invited to join a Slack workspace, but you're not quite sure how to get started, don't worry. We're going to walk you through the entire process step by step so you can join your team's workspace quickly and without confusion. First, you'll want to go to your email inbox. Use whichever email account you provided to the person or organization that invited you to Slack. Make sure you're checking the correct inbox, especially if you have multiple email accounts. Sometimes invitation emails can take a minute or two to arrive, so if you don't see it immediately, give it a moment and refresh your inbox. Next, look for the invitation email from Slack. It will usually mention Slack and the name of the workspace or organization that invited you in the subject line. If you're having trouble finding it, try using the search bar in your email and type in Slack or invitation. Also, check your spam or junk folder because occasionally automated emails like this can end up there by mistake. Once you've found the invitation email, go ahead and open it. Inside, you'll see a message letting you know that you've been invited to join a Slack workspace. And in that email, look for a button or link that says something like accept, join now, or join workspace. Click on that button. This is what actually starts the process of connecting your email address to the specific Slack workspace. After you click accept, your browser will open a new page with on-screen prompts. These prompts will guide you through the rest of the setup. And depending on whether you already have a Slack account, you may be asked to create a new password, confirm your name, or sign in if you've used Slack before. Take your time and read each screen carefully. If you're new to Slack, you'll usually be asked to set your display name, which is what your colleagues will see, and then create a secure password. Make sure to choose something you can remember, but that's still strong and private. And if you already have a Slack account with that email, you might only need to sign in and you'll be added to the workspace automatically. Once you've followed all the on-screen instructions, you should land inside the Slack workspace. And from there, you can start exploring channels, sending messages, and collaborating with your team. But that's all we got for you guys today. If this is helpful, make sure to drop a like and make sure to check out our other tutorials.